Hey there! Today we are going to make some ocean resin art with a disturbing realistic twist. Did you know that 100 million marine animals die every year from ocean trash? I didn't. I think we are all aware that plastic waste is a huge problem. We were not aware of how much that ocean trash affects marine life. So as I construct my take on resin beach art, let's talk about ocean pollution. I think one of the saddest facts I've learned recently is that sea turtles mistake plastic bags as jellyfish, a favorite food source for the loggerhead sea turtle. And when the sea turtles ingest the plastic, it clogs their digestive tract and they die. Have you ever watched one of those sea turtle nature documentaries? Sea turtles have a hard enough time surviving their way to the ocean as is. Now their safe haven is a death trap filled with our garbage. I really wanted a sea turtle for my diorama, but sadly we didn't have any. We have whales. Gray whales to be specific. Did you know that gray whales are bottom feeders? In 2010, a gray whale washed ashore with its stomach filled with plastic bags, surgical gloves, sweatpants, golf balls, and other pieces of plastic trash. In 2010, the gray whales were becoming malnourished because they were eating our trash. In 2010, that's almost 12 years ago, which begs the question, how much worse is it now? Until recently, I was naively aware of only one ocean garbage patch. Did you know that there are actually 6? Yes, 6. While the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is the largest and most well-known, it actually contains 2 swirling gyres of trash. And there are 4 more around the world. Within the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, there are over 2 million pieces of garbage in 1 square mile. If that seems like a lot, it is, but it's not as frightening as the microplastics that are harder to see. Over 90% of plastic pollution is made up of microplastics that are smaller than your fingernail. So as I sprinkle on some plastic over my diorama, let's imagine a sea animal, perhaps a fish, consuming that microplastic. Now the fish digests the microplastics and harmful chemicals are absorbed into its bloodstream. Then that fish is eaten by a larger fish, like perhaps a tuna or tilapia or salmon, and those toxins from the smaller fish are now absorbed into the larger fish. And if you think this has little to no bearing on your life, just remember that fact every time you crack open a can of tuna or enjoy some tasty salmon for the healthy omega-3s, that you are in fact consuming your own garbage. A little bit dramatic? Maybe, but just think about how my gray whale feels trying to reach the surface of the ocean trying to breathe through all of that trash. Now imagine if that trash was circulating in the air above your house and was large enough to cover your hometown or the city you live in. You'd probably feel a bit like that whale in my diorama, and you might, like me, want to do something about it. But you might ask, what can me, a single individual human, do about all the plastic in the ocean? Well, my friend, right now a whole lot of people are coming together led by Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, and Mark Rober to raise money to clean up 30 million pounds of trash from the oceans. This is a huge undertaking, and they can't do it without our help. So I encourage anyone who can to go to teamseas.org and donate to help clean up our oceans. Even if it's just $1, every dollar helps. 30 million seems like a lot, but not if we all help. And it's only the beginning. So go to teamseas.org and donate if you can. Thanks for watching. My name is Pam and this is Total Pamarchy, the craft channel with a little anarchy. Until next time, #.